Alright everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put lyrics into your music in Scratch, or if you have voice in it, with that. So, you want to, when you're in costumes up here, you want to click the T tool. Anyway, so now you're going to choose somewhere to put the lyrics. I'm going to choose there, and now I'm going to start typing. Early wait. Alright, so that is the first part. Then you want to paint another costume. There we go. Alright, now for the last costume. It's gonna be there. So you're gonna go like this. It's gonna be like that. And then let's try it.
Early one morning, I went walking in the forest.
Wait.
Early one morning, I went walking in the forest, and I saw the most amazing. Early one morning, I went walking in the forest, and I saw the most. Early one morning, I went walking.
Yeah.
Early one morning, I went walking in the forest, and I saw the most.
Alright, just the last one. This is costume 2. Here.
Early one morning, I went walking in the forest, and I saw the most amazing.
Alright, there we go. So that's how you put lyrics. But if you wanted to do your own, recording, that is what you have to do. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. See you next time. Bye!